cost is nothing but expenses of the particular company. We are analyzing and auditing and recording all the expenses, because each and every company purchase the raw materials, production cost and selling and distribution cost. There are different types of cost is included. That is the, what are the cost? Any idea about? Prime cost, work cost, cost of production, selling and distribution expenses. There are each and every stage we spend the different type of cost. Okay, suppose you are starting a manufacturing company. What are the expenses included in the cost of particular product? Okay, for example, first I will tell about the one example. Based on that, you can prepare the cost sheet for your company. Okay, for my example, first you fix the company name. For example, SJ and Co. It's my company. I am the proprietor or owner of the particular company. I am starting the particular company means definitely I purchase the raw materials for the productions. Okay, but raw material cost is called as prime cost. Okay, I spend the 50,000 for purchasing the raw materials. Then after that, I spend the labor cost. Labor cost is two types of labors I needed. One is direct labor, another one is indirect labor. That cost is work cost. Again I spent the 50,000 for work cost. First I spent the 50,000 for prime cost, and again I spent the 50,000, totally 1 lakh. After that we produce the particular product. That type of expenses what is called cost of production. That expenses is 20,000. Totally I spent the what sum of 1,20,000. Then after finishing the all the production, I spent the definitely selling expenses. Selling expenses or advertising expenses. Again I spent the 30,000 for selling expenses. Totally I spent the amount is 1,50,000. Okay, I sell the particular goods. What the amount is I fixing? Less than 1,50,000 or more than 1,50,000. Which one is profit? Totally I spent the 1,50,000. Now I earn the particular amount. What is the sales price? Less than 1,50,000 or more than 1,50,000? More than 1,50,000. Then only I got the profit. Okay, sales minus cost of production, that is called as profit. So what is my cost of production? 1,50,000. Sales is, suppose I assume that 2,50,000. What is the profit? 1 lakh rupees. This is the way of preparation of the cost sheet. Now your own way you can prepare the same like that. You can take about only the prime cost, work cost, cost of productions, selling and distribution expenses, and what is your profit. I need these 5 points is alone only I needed. Okay. Anyone first started?
My company name is D&O, and I purchased raw material, that is the prime cost as 10,000 and work cost is 5,000. Cost of production is 10,000. Selling and distribution is 5,000. Total expenses I spent it is 30,000. Here the selling price is 40,000. So I get profit 10,000.
10,000. Okay, you can spend the 30,000, but you earned the 40,000. So earned minus expenses 10,000 is the Dharani profit. Okay, next.
Hi ma'am, my company name is Kavya Private Limited. Prime cost 15,000, work cost 5,000, cost and production 10,000, sales and distribution, selling and distribution 10,000, total is 40,000, sales 50,000, my profit is 10,000.
10,000. Okay, Kavya expenses totally 50,000, 40,000 expenses, but she earned the 50,000. So total profit is 10,000. Okay, both are investing the amount. We are calculating that 30,000 spent Dharani earned 10,000, but Kavya spent the 40,000. She is also earned the profit is 10,000. Which is higher compared to this? Both the profit is 10,000. Who is the earned high level? Is it corporate high or low, or both are same? Who is high amount? because she spent 40,000, he earned only 10,000. Out of 40,000, she earned only 10,000. But she earned 30,000, spent 30,000, she earned 10,000 profit. We calculate the percentage level. Okay, we calculate the percentage level. Kavya earned only 25% only earned, but Darby earned 30% of the profit. That is the way of calculations. Okay, for each and every, we don't bother about the profit, but what is the percentage level of the profit? That's why we are preparing the cost sheet. Okay, what is the purpose of we are preparing the cost sheet means each and every unit we calculate. We are unit price, we are calculation based on the cost price. For example, she earned 30,000, spent the amount means she earned 10,000 profit, like that. Okay, Kavya also spent 40,000, but she earned only 10,000. We calculate the unit price means. For example, unit price means, for example, 10 rupees unit price, here 8 rupees unit price. That is the variations. That is, we are calculating the percentage of level. Okay, which one is high? 30% is high or 25% is high? Profit level. 30 or 25? 30%. So that's why we are preparing the cost sheet. Okay, thank you all.
Thank you.